I'm going to compare 10web and Shopify. 10web and Shopify are built for different purposes, so the better choice depends on your needs. 10web is an AI-powered website builder that automates WordPress site creation. It's ideal for those who want a WordPress-based website with customization and Google Cloud hosting. It suits bloggers, businesses, and agencies looking for flexibility. Shopify, on the other hand, is designed specifically for e-commerce. It offers built-in tools for online stores, secure payment processing, and integrations with various sales channels. It's best for entrepreneurs and businesses focused on selling products online. If you need an AI-powered WordPress site, go for 10web. But if your main goal is running an online store, Shopify is the better choice.